Mac Yacht Services specializes in island packet chainplate replacements. We utilize the best practices of impregnating fiberglass strands with epoxy bonded to a properly prepared hull. Unfortunately, there are other repair facilities not using these best practices. This repair was done without properly preparing the surface, and the bonding completely failed. This repair, by another yard, encapsulated the chain plates, which is exactly the method from the 1980s that caused so many chain plate failures. Then the rest was caulked and covered over with epoxy and paint. Mac Yacht Services has done hundreds of chain plate replacements on all kinds of boats, but especially the Island Packet brand, with methods that you can count on for a safe and reliable rig. Thank you for considering Mac Yacht Services, and we look forward to seeing you soon.